Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today, and I have my closet of kindness. This was designed by Christian, who's Christian's Crafty Adventures here on YouTube and Instagram. We created this on a live once, and yeah, so this is purely her design. But this video is a project share and a VR basically for Puchys Bead Box Swap. Okay, that's hashtag Puchys Bead Box Swap. So I decided to use the closet of kindness to put my bead box inside. As you saw, I had this gold elastic around my closet of kindness, and I just tied a big knot right here to just stay fastened, and my recipient could just slide this off. But I added some beads to the ends of my elastic. Also secured it with some clear tape and some glossy accents because the gold around the elastic tends to fray easy, so I figured I'd put the tape here like a shoelace and then add the glossy accents at the end. That way it will stay at least for until my partner can get her hands on it. So here's my closet of kindness, and my partner and I decided we were going to do pastel Christmas. Okay, so that is why I chose to use Snow and Cocoa. It worked out perfect because I've already created the closet with Christian on a live with her, and I made the front panels. You know, if you guys are interested, I will link Christian's video. I think it's a video down below. I don't remember because, like I said, we did it live together on one of our channels. It might have been her channel. But anyway, I used some of the trim that Kayla had gifted me, and I put it around my closet all the way around. Well, on 3 sides. I didn't want to put it on the bottom because the feet are already there. I already attached the feet. And so I just put some of the trim around, and I added this snowman sticker and put some stickles around him, so he is still a little bit wet. I also added stickles to all the Christmas trees, and then this snowflake, these white snowflakes are from my stash. These right here, these acrylic snowflakes are from Dollar Tree. This is a paper bead that I used, that I've created to make, to use as the handle for the closet. Okay, so I also added some snowflakes on the side here. I don't know if you could see it with all the glare. So here's one of the acrylics, and there's a snowflake button, and then the same thing on this side, and then the same on the top. Okay, so that's a lot to explain. I also added some Nouveau on the top of the closet around the panel, the door panels. So let's open this up, and I thought I might put a little like note on the inside or some kind of design, something. We'll see if I get to it, but just explaining what the closet of kindness is and where it originated from. Okay, so to open the box or the closet, you lift it up. So it's just a regular, like a shoebox style. Okay, so I added some of this tool that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's just to hold everything. It doesn't really hold anything really, but just to keep the shreds from coming out easily. The other thing I added in here besides my bead box was a mini traveler's notebook, and whoops, I don't want to open it because I already taped it up and everything, and I used the tool to wrap it. And I use Snow and Cocoa on this. There's nothing on the inside. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4 empty, what are these called? Signatures. There's no blank papers in them. It's just like little folders. So I added that in there. And I made this also with Christian on another live. The other thing I did was I added some shred here because I added extra goodies for my partner. So I took one of the Walmart glass jars, right? And then I put some of the jummies that Gabby, who is Mommy and My 4 Little Ladies, and I shared some of that with her. So there's some pinks and blues, and then these little pink ones on the bottom, those are actual beads, and those are from Louisa, and she gifted that to me for my birthday. So I added that, and then I added another one. It's the same size, but these are like pastel-y colors. I think these are from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but I think they are. So I just layered them in there like a little, you know, ombre effect. And I thought that worked out pretty cute. And then these little jars are also from Walmart. And I added more beads in here and some of the little butterflies from, embossed butterflies from June Lanham. And she shared some with me for Happy Mail. So in these jars, so here's another little jar of beads. These are beads, like star-shaped beads from Hobby Lobby. And then these are little black and white beads that are from Dollar Tree, and these are like seed beads and little tubular beads. So I added some in there because Snow and Cocoa does have black and white. And then this one right here is another seed bead collection. It's a mix of pinks and purple, and maybe even blue in there. Yep, some blues, pinks, and purples. And I thought those were perfect for Snow and Cocoa. So I just added that there and covered it up with some of the shred that I got from my birthday mail. So perfect, I don't have to buy any shred. Okay, and then this is my bead box, guys. And I just used a little bit of washi to hold it closed. I used some of the tulle again to just kind of somewhat wrapping it, right? So it's not exactly obvious what it is. So let's see, move that to the side. All right, so this is our little bead box, and it is Snow and Cocoa. I did most of this, or some of this, on a live last week or 2 weeks ago. We made it a shaker, added some of the sequins and some of the beads and some Christmas mix from some of y'all who gifted that to me for my birthday. I also put some snow, the heat embossed snow. Let me get that marker. Oh, so I got this on Amazon, and it's just a snow marker. And that's what you're seeing here, like big globs of snowballs around the bear and on top of his head. And I used the doily from my stash, and this little heart, I think, oh gosh, I don't remember who gave me the folded hearts, rosette hearts, but I got it from my birthday challenge giveaway. And then some of these snowflakes are from my stash, and this little poinsettia I got from a swap I did last year. And these are the Snow and Cocoa wood veneers that we did on my live, and I used the Nouveau drops to put some color onto the wood veneers. So that is my lid. I added a, what is this called? A tassel and some beads, and then here's a little jingle bell. I can't really, it's not really jingling right now, but there's a little teeny tiny pink jingle bell that I got from Hobby Lobby, and then I added some sequins with it just to give it some little, I don't know, flair. These are a few of my beads from my stash. I made a little bead string with some wire from Walmart, And there's the blue and the pink beads here are from, oh gosh, I want to say it was, oh gosh, was it Alondra or was it Patricia? I think it was from Patricia. One of the two ladies, they gifted me some beads. And then the eraser here is from Dollar Tree. These are the eraser toppers. And that is from my friend Rosanna. And I strung some of my trims right through the bottom of the pencil topper. And then I just made a little bow. These trims are from, this blue trim was from Dollar Tree. And I added this flat back gemmy on there. So that is the top. Here is the inside of the box. So as you can see, I decorated the inside here. This is just one of the die cuts that I have in my stash from Carolyn, who is Tea Time and Dolls. And then I just took some trim from my stash and laced up the skate, and then I added my sticker here that I created on my computer. All these beads, the majority of them are from Amazon and from AliExpress, and then there's a few from some of you ladies who have gifted me beads in the past, and Walmart beads, like this little one right here that I wire wrapped already, and they're just ready to go. So some of them are pre-wired, some of them come with the loops, with the little eye loops already. These are from Amazon. And then some of these are gifted again from my birthday. So it is the gold glitter hearts from Maggie Holmes, and I added the clear bail on the back, and that will make it a charm. So I added 2 of that in there, and some bubble tea and some pom-pom beads, and some candy beads, which are perfect. So I tried to stick with the pastel-y colors, but I also threw in some black and white because it is Snow and Cocoa that I'm working with. And then this big Mamma Jamma right here, a Mickey Mouse head bead, and it goes from top to bottom. So if you string this, it would look so gorgeous dangling. And that was gifted to me by Jenny, who is oh gosh, what? Crafty Hilo Girl. Oh my gosh, Jenny, so sorry. Crafty Hilo Girl. So these are from Hobby Lobby, and they're the Christmas little mini tree ornaments, and it's already got a hole in it, and she could just string that on to whatever. So there's a mix of beads and charms, but I also sprinkled in some flat back jemmies that are pastel-ies, so she can play and work with those. So that is it for my project share, guys. And this will be going out to my partner. I'm hoping to send this out on Monday. But yes, thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.